Hey guys, Kai here from TikTok and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to be focusing on a new feature in Canva, which is the Canva AI. Now Canva has recently incorporated AI into its tools and its features, and it is insane, I'm telling you. Now for anyone who is not familiar with Canva, Canva is an all-in-one design tool specifically made for designers who has little to zero background in design. Simple to use, the interface is clean and it's nice. There's tons and tons of templates that you can just take and use royalty free. Yep, no one has gotten sued over using any of these images before. It's for anyone and everyone to use. Alright, let's hit up Canva and see how crazy this AI feature is. Okay, to start using this, you can either upload an image of yours, something like this one. This was taken in Melbourne a few months back. Or you can use any of the images on the templates that Canva gives you, and you click on that image, the one that you just uploaded. Once you do that, on the bottom right hand corner over here where it says Canva Assistant, click on it and you'll have a few options. The one that we are focusing today is called the Magic Edit. So click on Magic Edit, and as soon as you click on it, you'll see this screen where your cursor has been changed into a brush. Alright, so on this Magic Edit, what I intend to do is to change the color and the outlook of my friend's cap over here, Sharil. I might have seen him reviewing some products on this channel. So I want to change Sharil's cap, this red colored cap, into something else. So first, what I gotta do is to change the brush size, decrease it a bit, and paint over Sharil's red cap. Something like this. I just paint it over. When you have all of those, you click on continue and then you enter a prompt. So for this, I want to say change the red colored cap to blue. And then I click on generate, and then the AI will start doing its magic thing. Give it a few seconds because it's computing what it's intending to do. After a few seconds, it will give out several results. You can see some Rastafari design over here. On the left, these are some options and variations that the AI has generated. Look at this solid blue and purple with a badge. Let's see. Oh, this is something else. This one looks very decent. I click on done, and look, Sharil's cap from a red color has been changed to purple with a badge on the right side of the cap, which I assume it looks like a compass. Yeah, I'm just assuming. So it's crazy, right? Now let's look at a second demonstration. Same picture, same thing, right? I'm going to zoom in a bit and decrease the brush size, and I'm going to paint over this camera, the one that my wife Tiara is holding on to. I'm just going to paint the camera and the camera remote control over here, and just to get everything, and then I click on continue, and I will want to change the camera into something else. So I'll replace this with a handbag because Tiara loves handbags. Black Dior brand. All right, let's ask the AI to generate then. Same thing, it will take a few seconds for it to compute and come up with several results. Usually some variations. And on the left over here, wow, look at that, from a camera into something else. The first one, this, okay, it's all right. This looks more like a wallet. But wow, look at that. That legitimately looks like a bag, a designer bag. Now, how insane is that? That really looks like a super expensive techie designer bag with like a, I don't know, like an attachment at the bottom, maybe to hold your keys or whatever loose change that you have. I don't know, I'm not into bags, designer stuff especially. But look at that, from this camera, Sony camera, to that. My God, that is insane. So yes, you can of course play around with the AI magic, Magic Edit. I have a play around in Canva. If you do not already have a Canva account, you can of course sign up for a free Canva account by using my affiliate link below. I'm just going to put it at the description box down below, so you can just click on the link, sign up, and start doing crazy things in Canva. And bear in mind that this feature is still in beta, so the full release is definitely going to be super bizarre and super crazy, and I cannot wait for that to happen. Alright guys, that's it. If you do enjoy this video, you know what to do. Hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification button to be notified whenever I upload new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye!